Hi guys, this is Mick and Chappelle, and we're doing something that we just did about the fidget spinner. We just finished recording, so I am going to tell you about the fidget spinner. Like, at the fidget spinner, the circle helps it hold it, and if you need something for these fidget spinners are only from active fixable students or the non-fixable students at school. But this one sometimes doesn't need to have it. You can just get it you can sometimes get it when you want it, and I'm an active physical student at school, and I have a bit of some problems that I do, so that you see when the camera spins it, and when it's going slow on your camera, it goes fast, and then you see that? It goes fast every time you do that. And for the happening of it, it's super cool if you buy it, like the hand spinners, but don't get the ones with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the white ones that blow up. Those can blow up children. Only get the light ones that don't blow up, or you can just get the regular ones, or just like the one like mine. Mine's a gear. I have to sneeze for a bit. Hang on. I have to sneeze for 1 minute. Hang on. Oh, it looks like it didn't have to sneeze. It just didn't come out. So that this spinner has the balls. Just for looks, you can play with them or whatever that means. Anyway, you can also get it if you just want it, or you can just get it if you have problems at school. It doesn't matter. So if you I dropped my fidget spinner. So so what was I at? I'll just skip that question. Do you know that the spinner is the nictical thing that helps the spinning the spinning thing. The thing that the nictical surface is that the nictical surface is the metal on the thing that balances it so it can spin. So if you I dropped my spinner again. So like if you need one, you can just order it or just shop for it. You can sometimes use hand spinners and some stuff like that. So if you really want, so the Nintendo means that it can make a surface go. That with these holes, it just came with a fidget spinner. You can just look through the holes, look outside it, and blah 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 blah, whatever you want to do, and yeah, I think that's it. So for the video, so I will see you guys on the next video. Enjoy and have a great day. Thank you.